Big Bear Homestead. And today we're going to introduce a new series called Fun Things to Do on the Homestead. So, let's get to it. Okay, so in this series we're going to show you some things, different crafty, carpentry, blacksmithing, all different kinds of things that we do here on the homestead when we get out and we make stuff. This is where you'll see what we do with our fur that we harvest. This is what you see with some of the things Mom does with her essential oils and stuff that we just do together just to have some fun, to beautify the homestead, to bring beneficial birds and stuff like that to the homestead. So today, Ladessa and I are going to show you how we build a birdhouse for the Carolina wrens. Okay, so Ladessa and I are going to build a birdhouse today for the Carolina wren. Now, we just kind of Googled Carolina wren birdhouse plans for free on the internet, and we got a bunch of them. So we narrowed it down to two, and Ladessa just picked the one that we're going to do. And so we're going to do this one. And so we're going to go step by step into building this birdhouse. And what we had to go and collect is we had to get a 4-foot 1x6, and we found it off of a pallet. So we took the board off of the pallet, and we're going to go ahead and begin. Ready?
Ready.
Here we go. Look at the camera and say, let's do it.
Let's do it. Let's do it. Why do we keep on saying let's do it?
Because you keep talking. Alright, so we got our board here from the pallet. Now, one of the first things that we're going to have to do, okay, this one, the board that we need only has to be 4 foot long. And this one is a little over 5 foot, which is good because this end is kind of boogered up. So we're going to go ahead and cut off this end, and then we're going to measure out according to our plan here our different cuts that we need to make them, and then we'll be right back. Alright, so we got all of our pieces cut. Now, on the front piece, we need to make the entrance hole, and for the wrens, it has to be 1 inch by 1/8 of an inch. So, 1 1/8 inch hole. So,
What?
My big helper. So, we're going to do that. And then we're also going to go ahead and get the clamps, the wood glue, and the air compressor with the brad nailer up here and ready to go. So we're going to get all that stuff. We'll be right back. Alright, so we got all of our holes drilled, the rest of our tools put together. I got my eye on you. But, so now we're going to assemble it. So, I'm going to let you guys watch that. We're going to assemble it, and then go outside and hang it. And there you have it. A Carolina's wren's nest made out of an old pallet wood that's warped and all kinds of get out. Flip top lid, so that way she can go in and do her investigation. We can clean it out at the end of the year. We're going to drill a couple of pilot holes here and here, and then one in the bottom, so that way we can hang it to a post or to a tree. And we're going to send it out there just like this, because it's rough. I mean, it's heat treated lumber, so it should be okay. And this is just something, like I said, fun stuff to do on the homestead that's beneficial. Hopefully this will attract a beneficial bird that'll help us with pest control in our garden. Plus, it gets them out here into the shop, even if they're doing nothing more than handing you tools. They're learning. So don't think that homesteading's just work, 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 work. You can have some fun, get creative, build some birdhouses to bring in some songbirds, some beneficial birds to your garden that would make your work just a little less stressful. And they sing beautiful songs and they look beautiful too. So, thanks for coming by the Big Bear Homestead. And like always,
Have a nice day.